All right, let's see. Here I am, November 6th, 2021. There you go. Now let's see how gray this beard is in 5 years too. All right, here we are. Not exactly 5 years later. I'm posting this video today because today's January 18th, 2025, and tomorrow is the TikTok ban. And in the event that this app goes dark and never comes back, I'm posting this video today. So look at how much more gray I've got in my beard. Now, when I first posted this video 5 years ago, because I'm organized, in the description of the video, I put down 5 stocks that I must have made a video about. And I said, okay, well, and this guy said, hey, I'm going to create a portfolio based on these stocks, and we'll see how they did in 5 years. Now, 2 of the stocks in this list are highly speculative. They've always been highly speculative. And I'm going to show you how to determine whether a stock is highly speculative in a moment. But for the sake of time, I'm going to show you really quickly where these stocks have done or what they've done over the last 5 years. So not the full 5 years from when I posted the video, but close enough. So let's take a look real quick at where these stocks are today. Number 1 on the list was a company called Oshkosh, and we can see in the last 5 years that this stock is up a measly 4.47%. But in that time, they have paid a dividend, and it's okay, 1.92%. So you've earned a little bit of a dividend here. And in the last 5 years, you're up around 4.5%. Not fantastic. What's the next one? It's John Deere, which is up 158% in the last half decade, or in the last 5 years, and they also pay a little teeny bit of a dividend, so that's not bad. The third company on the list is Caterpillar, which is also up a lot, 161% in the last 5 years, and they too pay a little bit of a dividend. Number 4 on the list is a company called Nucor, which does currently have a warning. However, in the last 5 years, they are also up 131%, and they too pay a little bit of a dividend. Now here we go, the point of the video where we're getting to the stocks that are highly speculative. This just means that you would put in only what you were willing to lose, and hey, good thing you did, because one of them is ChargePoint, which is down 89% in the last 5 years. I own this one. I am also down 89%, and I'm not really upset about it because I only put in what I was willing to lose. And finally, the last company on the list is Blink, which is also down a lot, down 28% in the last 5 years. If you want to learn how to invest and how to research these companies and determine for yourself which companies are high quality and which companies are highly speculative, all you need to do is go right here. So you just go right here and you click on the menu, which is right here, and all of these resources are 100% free. There's not even an email sign up. Now you're looking for this one right here, the fundamental analysis template. There's a little bit of a blurb. There's some videos that'll walk you through how to use it. If you click right here, it is 100% fillable, so you can click and fill in all of these things, and you just fill out all of this information. So there you have it, a video that I was looking forward to posting in 2026, but we might not get there, at least not here on TikTok, so I'm posting it today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following. See you down the road.